Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use a breast pump correctly and comfortably. This is my breast pump. It has a main body, a milk container, and a suction cup that fits on the breast. You can find both electric and manual pumps in most stores. Choose the one that feels most convenient for you. Before starting, make sure the pump is clean and dry. Place the suction cup gently against your breast so that it fits snugly and air doesn't get in. Once it's in position, start pumping, either by pressing the lever if it's manual, or turning it on if it's electric. At first, the milk might take a few seconds to start flowing, that's normal. Soon, you'll see the milk collecting in the container. Continue until your breast feels lighter and comfortable, then repeat the same on the other side. When you finish, carefully remove the container and close it tightly. You can store the milk in a clean bottle or bag in the refrigerator or freezer. Always label it with the date before storing. I hope this video helped you understand how to use a breast pump correctly. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips about breastfeeding and baby care. Write your questions in the comments, I'll be happy to answer. Bye bye.